To refinance a loan with Best Egg, start by checking your eligibility. You can do this by visiting their website and filling out a short form with basic information such as your name, address, and income. This will give you an idea of the loan amount and interest rate you qualify for. Once you have determined your eligibility, gather all the necessary documents, including proof of income, identification, and information about the loan you want to refinance. Having these documents ready will make the application process smoother. The next step is to apply for the loan. You can do this online or over the phone. The application will ask for detailed financial information, including your credit score, income, and debt obligations. Be honest and accurate when providing this information, as it will be used to determine your loan terms. After submitting your application, Best Egg will review your creditworthiness and provide you with a loan offer. This offer will include the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Take your time to review the offer carefully and make sure you understand all the terms and conditions. If you accept the loan offer, the funds will be disbursed directly to the lender of the loan you are refinancing, and you will start making payments to Best Egg. It is essential to make timely payments to avoid late fees and negative credit reporting. Best practices to keep in mind when refinancing a loan with Best Egg include carefully reviewing the loan terms, making timely payments, and monitoring your credit score. It is also crucial to consider the fees associated with the loan, such as origination fees, and factor them into your decision. Overall, refinancing a loan with Best Egg can be a great way to simplify your finances and potentially save money on interest. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can make an informed decision and achieve your financial goals.